How to make and sell NFT pixel art. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create and sell pixel NFTs. So let's get started. When it comes to selling NFTs, we know that pixel NFTs are pretty famous and we can create our own art as well. A lot of people think that creating pixel NFTs involve coding, and in order to produce pixel NFTs we have to do a lot, and as a beginner we cannot create pixel NFTs. But don't worry, this tutorial will help you create your own pixel NFTs and then sell them on OpenSea. So let's get into it. First of all, right now I am on OpenSea.io, which is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and I will be creating an NFT to mint on OpenSea. So first we require an NFT. For that, I will be using a platform known as pixelart.com. Go ahead and check out pixelart.com right now. It's a free platform, an online platform. You don't even have to sign up in order to create your own pixel NFTs. Pixel art allows you to create pixel art, and you will be able to actually draw in pixels. Let me actually give you an example. You can see right here that I can draw in pixels. So this is the platform I use to create pixel NFTs for free. As a complete beginner, there is no coding required. So let's get into it. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background, and let me also give you a tour. You can see we have different tools such as like brushes, and we have text, stamps are available. I work with stamps as well, and I'll show you as a complete beginner. You don't even have to draw something on this platform and you will get a pixel NFT. So let's change the color, the primary colors. I'm just going to go with the bucket, and let's exchange it to white. Perfect. So we have a white background now. I can change the color for my background, and we can maybe go with this color, and we can select a shade and make it a little lighter. Okay, perfect. Now this is going to be the background for my NFT. So I'm going to go to the stamps right here, stamp tool, and you can see it has already different elements created for us to add to our art that we are creating. So I just use this. You can create your own. First you can create a person, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have created this person right here. All you need to do is just go to the brush tool, select the color, then you can adjust the brush size and make it like really small, 2 or 1, and then you can draw the outline for a person, and then you can change the color. I have added some skin color and like a red t-shirt, and then we have this person. Now I can go to the stamps and I can add, maybe go to the popular ones and add this sword if I want to, and I can just like place it in its hand. You can see, okay, it doesn't go with the the background, so we can just like undo this one or maybe go with another stamp. Perfect. So now we also have glasses, and this way I can create more than one NFTs, pixel NFT, without coding. I can just add like glasses for this one, and maybe for the next one I can change a background. I can change the here. So this is like really good for people who do not know coding. We still want to create a good pixel NFT collection. So this is how we will do it. You can change the color and add different traits to your NFTs. In stamps, again, we have all of these different stamps available, so you can change like maybe it's like this color, and here then we have clouds and we have other things. So for me, I think my NFT is done, and this is what it looks like. You can see, again, these are all different tools available on pixelart.com, and you can see we have preview, layers, we have different commands and colors, then there is like delete layer. So we work in layers on pixelart.com. Once you're done, you're going to click on download, and I'm going to click on download PNG, and my NFT will be downloaded. Now I will simply go to OpenSea and connect my wallet. So I will be connecting my MetaMask, and my wallet is connected. So you can see I have connected my MetaMask. You can connect any other wallet as well. If you do not have MetaMask, you can get one by just going to metamask.io. So this is done, and now in order to mint an NFT on OpenSea, you will click on create. So this is where we create an NFT on OpenSea. To sell. I'm going to select my NFT that we just created, and you can see this is my NFT. It's a pixel NFT. You can see we can add JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, any kind of file. The maximum size can be 100 MB. Name for my NFT. So I'm just gonna call it Pixel Man. And then we have external link. So external link simply means that if you have any outside page for the information of this NFT, you can add the URL right here. I do not have any other page, so I'm just gonna leave this option. Then we have description. So in description, you're gonna type on the description for your NFT. This is where we add information about our collection that we're creating and other details. But for now, I'm just gonna write the word description. Moving on, we have collections. I'm going to select one of the collections that I already have. Do not worry if you're minting for the first time, and if you do not have any collection, then you can just go ahead and leave this option and a collection will automatically be created. Then we have properties, levels, and stats. So this is where you can add any kind of characters, any kind of traits that your NFT possesses, and this helps us with the rarity of any NFT. And this is really important when it comes to creating pixel NFTs. And if you have like 10K collection, then properties play a very important role. So you can create different NFTs and then add different properties here. Then we have unlockable content. So if you have any kind of content that is only revealed by the owner, then you could just go ahead and add it right here. And we have explicit and sensitive content check. Now these two options are really important. We have supply and blockchain. So the supply is going to be 1, and because the supply is 1, there is no gas cost to me. Then we have blockchain. So we can add on OpenSea, we have Ethereum, we have Clayton, Polygon, and Solana. So I'm gonna go with Ethereum because a lot of people buy NFTs in Ethereum instead of Polygon, having a Polygon network on their MetaMask or any other wallet. So it's safe to go with Ethereum. Then we have freeze metadata. So this is where you will add all the information about your NFT, your pixel NFT. Click on create and your NFT will be created on OpenSea. And this way you can create your pixel NFT and sell it on OpenSea. Simply go to pixelart.com and create your NFT. Make sure to adjust the size as well. You can do that by just going to the preview size option given here, or you can change the size for your frame. There are different options available, so make sure to explore it and create your own original NFT right here, and you can then download it in any form to simply mint on OpenSea. And I also showed you how to mint your NFT on OpenSea. Once it's done, you will be able to find it in your profile, and you can also sell it for thousands of dollars on OpenSea. But pixelart.com is completely free. There is no sign up required, and it will allow you to create animated pixel NFTs that are high quality NFTs to sell. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on a bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.